Hi everyone. I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you this really neat tool that I think will help you with your sentence construction and punctuation and writing skills. So in SA1 homepage in our Canvas course, I have this link under resources titled Grammarly. So when you click on that link, it's going to open up this web page. I don't know if you've heard of Grammarly before, but if you haven't, it's a really neat tool. So first of all, there's a few ways to use it. You do want to create an account. It is free. I think there's a paid version, but I have the free version and it works really well. So you are going to create an account and then you have different options on how to use it. So here, as you can see, I have this add to Chrome, it's free button. So if I click on that, what will happen is that Grammarly will install on my computer. So this only works if you do have your own personal computer to use. You can install it onto Google Chrome, which is the web browser. So I've done this before and I am on Google Chrome right now. And as you can see up here on the right hand side, I have that arrow in green. And if I hover over it, I can see that that is Grammarly. So why would I want to do that? So one thing that does, oh, not that page, this page, since I have Grammarly installed on Google Chrome and I'm using Google Chrome right now, if I'm on Canvas and I'm typing something within Canvas, Grammarly will correct as I am typing. So for example, when I create an announcement for you all, and I start typing my announcement, Grammarly is going to correct my sentence construction. So I'll show you how that works. So here I typed 2 sentences and I made errors on purpose just to show you. But as you can see, there are some words that are underlined. So if I just hover over the word, Grammarly is telling me you probably want to change this to R. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And then here I misspelled the word, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And then here it's telling me that this doesn't make sense, that I should change it. However, I know that it does make sense. Don't forget to add a Works Cited page. So Works Cited is a title. That's why it's telling me that it's wrong. But perhaps if I capitalize Works Cited, it goes away because now it's recognizing that, okay, this is maybe a special term. So you can ignore or you can choose to use the Grammarly feedback. So that's something that I really enjoy. And because I have it installed on Google Chrome, it'll show up like on my Canvas page. If I'm typing an email, it shows up. So it's kind of nice, even for me as an English instructor, to get that quick feedback on mistakes I may have made. So how will this help with your essay? You're not going to type your essay directly into Canvas. You're actually going to probably use something like Microsoft Word to type your essay, right? So let me show you what Grammarly can do for you when you're writing your essay. So once you create an account, your Grammarly page will look like this. Okay, so I do have an account. I am logged in. So let's say that I am writing an essay, or I already wrote part of an essay. So I can either upload my essay file onto Grammarly, or I can just click New. So first I'm going to give this a title, Essay 1. And then the next thing I want to do is right here underneath the title, I'm going to go ahead and paste my essay or part of my essay, whatever I want Grammarly to check on. So that's just a random piece of paragraph that I found. So then Grammarly is going to ask me to set goals for this particular essay. So I'm going to set the goals thinking of Essay 1. Essay 1 is explaining a concept essay. So the essay is meant to inform the audience. Now you can pick more than one goal. So I'm going to pick inform and convince because in a way I want to, I guess, convince them that the definition of my concept is accurate. The audience is going to be the general audience. My audience is not going to be knowledgeable or they're not going to be experts. The writing style is going to be formal. The emotion should be mild. And the domain, you can leave it as general. So then I'm going to click Done. Once I do this, Grammarly will start to look at what I've copied and pasted in here and make some suggestions. So right here, I can already see that there is a mistake under a majority. So if I click on it, this is what Grammarly suggests. It suggests that I change from a majority to the majority. So I'm going to go ahead and accept that suggestion. And then the next suggestion is for me to add the word but after that comma. So I'll go ahead and also agree to that suggestion. Okay, so that's the only advice that Grammarly has given me. Now, if you see this, it's telling me that I do have 4 additional issues, but I can only view these issues if I go premium. So that means that I would have to pay for the upgraded version of Grammarly, which I'm not going to do. So again, it's just something really simple that you can use. It will help you with those minor errors. What I would do after this, I would just make sure to make the corrections on my actual document that I'm going to submit for my essay. So that's what Grammarly is. So hopefully you'll use it. It's something quick and easy. It's like another set of eyes looking at your essay for those minor errors.